Hello everyone, this is Rahul and this is my team.
Hi.
Today we will be doing some resistance exercises with the equipments, with the body weight and with the partner. So first of all, let me tell you one thing, that before starting any physical activity, we have to warm up our body, stretch our muscles so that injury may not occur. So we will start with the warm up, guys. Okay, see you. Bye.
Bye.
Now body is perfectly warmed up. We have stretched our body. Now we will start the exercises. We will start with our own body weight. We will be doing 12 exercises of 3 types. So we will start with our own body weight. So our first exercise is squats. So we will do like this. Okay, your weight should be perfectly balanced. Position should be right, and the team is doing good. Very good, team. So our next exercise is lunging. So I will show you how to do the exercise. You have to put your leg like this. Your angle should be 90 degree. Your angle should be 90 degree like this, and you have to lift your body up. Your back should be straight, and same with the other leg. Okay, start, team. Position is good. Everyone is doing very right. The formation of the angle is very nice. Leg change, team. Very good, very good. Okay, our next exercise is plank. So I will show you how to do the plank. You have to do like this. Your back should be straight and tight. Your shoulder should be strong. Okay, start. Here your back should be straight, and this will help your core strengthen. This exercise will strengthen your core, and this will help your shoulder to be strong. The angle of your back and your leg should be in a straight line. Good, team, very nice. Okay, so our next exercise is push-up. We do push-up for our upper body strength, for our arm strength. So I will show you, team, how to do the push-up. So start. First of all, you have to take your position and then go down and lift your body up. You have to look straight and lift your body up. Your back should be tight. Okay, start. These exercises will increase your upper body strength, your shoulder strength, your chest strength. The team is doing good. The angle is very nice. Good team. So guys, we are over with our own body weight exercises. Now we will start with partner's body weight. We will do the exercises with the resistance of our partner body weight. So first exercise is squats. I will lift my partner on my shoulder and then I will squat. Okay. So he is my partner. I will lift him on my shoulder and then I will squat. Okay. So guys, you have to lift your partner and squat down. This is a good exercise for your lower body strength. Take proper breath while doing this. Good, nice. Your body should be strong, your back should be strong. This is a very good exercise for your lower body strength. Nice team. So our next exercise is leg press with our partner body weight. So how to do it, I will show you team. You have to lie down on your back. You have to lift your leg like this. And now your partner body will come down and you have to push your partner back. This is a good exercise for your glutes and your hamstrings. Okay guys, she has to push her back so that she can gain strength on her legs. Okay team, nicely done. Okay guys, our next exercise is with partner plank. Okay, now I will tell you how to do that plank. This is push-up plank. And your partner will come on your back and you have to do like this. You have to hold your back tight. This is a good for your core. Okay? Okay, now you two come and show the. One has to go down and the other one has to put her weight on the other partner. This is very nicely done. Body weight is perfectly balanced. Okay team, good. Okay guys, our last exercise of with partner is resistance hinding. Your partner will resist you to come up and he has to push you back. So we will do communication. This will help your adductor muscles, groin muscle to grow good and this will strengthen your muscles. Back should be straight. This girl is resisting her to come up and she is doing very good. Okay, over team. So we are over with partners body weight exercises. Now we will do with equipments or machines. So I am in the gym and we will do first exercise is chest press. So this is the machine. Okay team. You have to sit like this. Your back should be straight and tight. You have to lift your weight like this. You have to do slowly. Okay, this will help your chest to strengthen, your chest muscles to get strengthened. Now, Nandini will perform this exercise. Now Nandini will show this exercise. This is chest press. This will help your chest muscle to strengthen and this is nice exercise for your upper body strength. Okay guys, our next exercise is weighted rowing machine. So we will do this exercise like this. We have to stand like this, hold the machine and we have to row back. This will help your back muscle to get strengthened and this will help your shoulders to get fit. Okay, now Anshika will perform this exercise. Come Come Anshika. So this will help your back to get strengthened. This is for your back. This is weighted rowing machine. Nice Anshika. Well done. Okay guys, our next exercise is shoulder press. This is the machine. I will show you team how to do this exercise. You have to sit like this, hold the handles, and you have to lift the weight up. So guys, this exercise will help the deltoid muscle to get strengthened. Now Nikesh will perform this exercise with you guys. Team, look at Nikesh. He will perform the exercise. Good Nikesh, well done. So guys, this is our last exercise. This is leg press. This will help your leg muscles to hamstrings to glutes to strengthen. And I will perform this exercise first, and after that Muskan will perform this exercise. So you have to put your legs like this and you have to push back. This is very good exercise for your legs. Now Muskan will perform this exercise with you. Very good Muskan, well done. Hello guys, this is our end of the session. We did 12 resistance training exercise and hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, like, share and comment. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.